2 effective ways to onion juice for hair growth. Onion juice can really help for hair growth and famous for solving many hair problems over many years. There are many products for hair loss, hair growth, but the natural remedies are more beneficial. Many various studies shown that onion juice and consuming onions is so beneficial for hair growth. Onion juice not only prevent premature gray hair but also help to solve other hair problems such as dandruff, yeast infections, and fungal infections. Rich sulfur content in onions helps to promote blood circulation to the scalp. The sulfur also promotes the production of collagen, which is necessary for the production of new hair and improves your hair growth super fast. Today I'll tell you how to use onion juice for hair growth. So, let's start with our today's remedy. Step 1. Ingredients. Chopped onion, 1 medium. Method. 1. Take 1 medium onion, chop it into small pieces and grind it. 2. Then, extract its juice with strainer and apply this juice into your hair and scalp, leave it for about 40 minutes and then wash it off with shampoo. 3. Do this twice a week for best results. Step 2. Ingredients. Hot water, 1 bowl. Onion juice, 1 tablespoon. Method. 1. Take a bowl, add hot water in it and add 1 tablespoon onion juice in it, mix it well and let it to cool. 2. After cooling this, rinse your hairs with this water after shampoo and conditioner. 3. If you don't like its smell, then after 1 hour you can wash your hairs. 4. Do this twice a week for best results. Benefits. Onion juice contains rich content of sulfur which helps to nourish your hair follicles. It can also help to minimize hair thinning and breakage. The antioxidants present in onion juice help to reverse premature graying and delay gray and white hairs. It stimulates your scalp and improves the circulation of blood and improves your hair growth fast. Have you ever used onion juice for hair growth? Tell us about your experience in the comments section below. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Stay in touch. Cheers.